congratulations for the Filmfare Awards.
I didn't win it, so you don't have to congratulate me. No.
But how do you feel?
How do you feel?
How do you feel? Were you expecting that?
We are expecting.
Look, yeah, I mean, if I say something, then you guys are going to make a big deal out of it.
No, but it's
No,
a
no, no.
question. Like, were you?
I think you win Stardust.
I know I won everything except
Filmfare, yeah.
So
Yeah, yeah.
I think you know. See, you don't really know what kind of goes into it. Like some awards have a jury, and then they decide. Some have a popular vote.
Yeah.
So I don't really know how they decided this year. But I think I think debutante awards should be for people that are relatively new to films and have done kind of less work. It's like otherwise it's like saying I've done 100 English films and now I'm doing a Hindi film, so I'm a debutante. So if Leo DiCaprio once wins an Oscar and then comes to do a Bollywood movie, he's a debutante, which is not. I mean, it's not something I agree with. But I mean, I think look, I have Bhavesh Joshi and I have another film that I'm doing that's a biopic that I'm starting at the end of the year. Now, as you grow, you keep working on your craft and you keep getting better as an actor, right? But at the end of the day, if people don't connect with the narrative of the story, it kind of takes away. People feel then your performance isn't what you think it is.
Yeah.
But in terms of myself, I've rewatched Mirzya several times, and there's not a moment I can really change about that film. Now Bhavesh Joshi might come out and it might connect with people more because of the plot and it's more relatable. So people may think that's a better performance, but that may not be the case. So it's so subjective and it's so greatly dependent on opinions. But I was very disappointed not to win, to be very honest with you.
Yeah.
And I'm very sorry, but I'm a very honest person, and so if you ask me the question, I'm going to answer it.